model.
Very good evening, folks. We're in Cars Live. This is your host Shiraz. So finally, after so many requests, I finally found one Hyundai Creta for you all. I've got so many requests and messages saying, why don't I sell a Creta? The reason was I was never getting one and no seller was interested to sell it. So finally I found one. The 2016 model Hyundai Creta SX optional diesel automatic variant, 1.6 liter diesel, 2016 single owner car, driven just 62 or 63,000 kilometers on record. It's a top end SXO optional variant. Top end variant comes loaded with features like dual airbags, alloys, power steering, power windows, climate control, navigator, touchscreen 10 inches one, automatic climate control, automatic mirror adjustments, ORVM, dual AC. You have a navigator and a push start button as well. It's a 5-seater, beautiful car, diesel engine, gives a good mileage of about 14 to 15 in city and about 16 to 17 highway depending on driver and the driving condition. A beautiful white crystal, white in color car, gives a great mileage of about 14 to 15 in city and 16 to 17 highways depending on driver and the driving condition. The Hyundai Creta 2016 model automatic diesel top end SXO variant comes at the price of just 11,50,000 only. As we speak, the showroom price of this car on road price is 19,78,000 rupees. Is the on road showroom price. It's a proper Bangalore registration, single owner with insurance valid till February as well, and you also get 1 year comprehensive warranty on engine, gearbox and clutch too. Come, let's have a look at the entire review of the car. We explain the body analysis, interior and loan details as well. Like I said, this is a beautiful Hyundai Creta diesel automatic top end 2016 model, a beast, a premium edition compact SUV, which is the best in class right now in India. This is rocking in the sales chart. It's proper safety features and all. The 1.6 liter U2 CRDI diesel engine with turbocharged and the 6-speed automatic gearbox is just fantastic. A new shape front right grills, which is DRL headlamps. You know, the best in class you can have here. Very good in features, clarity, not a single scratch or a dot on the car. Very genuine, no repaint, no accidents, nothing on the car so far till date. Beautifully kept. You can see the doors on the right side. Front door is all genuine here with company sealing all intact and genuine. No accidents, nothing here. Even the A pillar, everything is all intact. No accidents, no repaint, nothing. Beautifully maintained. Even on the right side back door, no scratches, no repaint, no paint job, nothing here. Even the door ceiling, I can see company ceiling all intact. Even the C pillars are all intact. The roofing is also all intact as well. It comes a nice rear AC as well at the back. The quarter panel also genuine, no repaint and no accidents right there. Back bumper, however, one round of small paint done on the back bumper to just avoid scratches and dents only. The back, beautiful tail lamps, back wipers, a good Creta logo and the Hyundai logo. Nice chrome finish grills right there, and the tail lamp is the best part right here. The reflectors at the bumpers with the chrome finish is just superb. You see, that's the beautiful Creta. It comes a nice boot space of about 400 litre boot space too. Quite huge and clean. If you fold the seats, it will have a 800 litre boot space as well. Quite huge at the compartment area. In fact, comparatively to the Duster which I have and the EcoSport which I have, this has much more better space, length and height and body line as well, which is proper aerodynamics. As you can see, the C pillars all genuine. Company seal condition all intact here, and even on the right side as well corner, it's all genuine. And the back boot floor, as you can see, right there you have a spare tire, which is a new brand new Stepney here, spare tire with all toolkits, everything intact, no rust, no accident, nothing, no repair work done on the cars here. Very neat and cleanly kept. It's a 5-seater. You can fold the seats as well. As you can see, quite beautifully kept, very neatly aligned. Even the left side of the bumpers, you can see quarter panel is all genuine, no accident, nothing. It's a proper diesel variant. The left side back door, bonnet, left side back door is all genuine with company seal condition all intact here. No accident, nothing. Even on the C pillar is all genuine. The left side front door is also genuine here. No repaint, no scratches, nothing. It's all genuine. And the door ceiling is also all intact as well. Coming back, all the tires, as you can see, with about 50% in life left. You can drive about another 15 to 20,000 kilometers. Sorry, 10 to 15,000 kilometers. All tires comes with alloys right there. 16-inch alloys right there. It has a nice ground clearance, about 190 mm of ground clearance too. Quite good in height. You can see that the front thing. And rear view mirrors also has the OVR mirrors, have the reflector indicators as well. Back in the front, as you can see, nice fog lamps, the chrome grille finish right there, and DRL headlamps for the main. That's the best part, the DRL LED lights. And coming back under the hood, on the engine part, as you can see, the aprons, let's start with it. The right side aprons, company seal condition all intact on the right side aprons here. No accident, nothing. Lower cross member, upper cross members, it's all genuine. No accidents there. And even on the left side aprons, you can see company seal condition all intact here. No accident, nothing here as well. And even on the bonnet hood, all company seal condition all intact as well. The battery also fairly good condition batteries, a 2016 model. So 2019 model battery, Exide battery, has 1 more year warranty left on the battery as well. As you can see, it's a 2019 model date. And coming back on the engine part, it's a CRDI U2 diesel 1.6 liter diesel engine. Gives a great mileage of about 14 to 15 in city and about 16 to 17 in highways, depending on driver and the driving condition. Car is driven just about 62 or 63,000 kilometers on record. The engine is seal conditioned diesel turbocharged engine, diesel sealed, all engine oil, coolant level, everything has been serviced and maintained by company till date. It's a single owner car with all showroom service records, all still available. The car also comes loaded with, yes, remote control key. Actually, it's a sensor, it's a keyless entry, so you just have to press here like a fingerprint and the door will open up right there. There you go. As you can see, it is nice. All 4 doors, power windows right there, door lock, unlock options. You have electronic mirror adjustment, electronic ORVM mirrors. As you can see, that's the mirror folding options right there. And the back as well, also you have the power window option at the back. Rear view seat, quite spacious. It's a 5-seater. You don't have, even a center person can sit inside and the between here, because even the legs can be stretched. The AC vent is quite far away, so it's all quite neat and clean right there at the back as well. Quite tall and quite spacious. Nice commanding position. Seat height adjustment as well is possible here. Nice steering controls. Let's power up the car now. It has push start button right there. All you have to do is just start the car like this, hold the button, start it. Then you have all the 10-inch multimedia digital music system there, right there. And it's driven 63,000 kilometers. Like I said, it's a top-end variant with SXO option with dual airbags, one airbag for the driver and second airbag for the co-passenger right there. It has steering control, audio video controls, Bluetooth controls modules, electronic mirror adjustments, a beautiful 10-inch multimedia screen with navigator options as well right there. As you can see, it has a built-in GPS navigator too, multimedia, CD player, FM, Bluetooth, aux option, and automatic climate control and rear AC and eco mode as well right there too. And you have a power charger output and USB and aux output right there. Now the best part of the car is the automatic gearbox, a 6-speed automatic gearbox right there. That's the best in class. Imagine a single owner diesel car, a compact SUV, diesel automatic is just Sone Pe Suhaga deal that you can get over here. It's a 2016 model Hyundai Creta SXO optional diesel, 1.6 liter diesel optional top end variant. Comes with push start, keyless entry, dual airbags, alloys, ABS, power steering, power windows, climate control, 10-inch multimedia display with navigator, electronic mirror adjustment, fog lamp, DRL lights, sensor with remote locking, back wiper, many more features loaded onto it. This beast is a single owner which has insurance valid till February next year too. All tires are good, body line just fantastic in condition, excellent mileage, good command, good seating, height and length adjustment, your leg, everything just fantastic on the car. This gives you a super feeling while driving a Hyundai Creta. I felt very good driving it on the road as well. I should often get more of these cars to sell it so that I can give you good deals on it. So the 2016 model Hyundai Creta will price all at just rupees 11,50,000 only and slightly negotiable with the right buyers. You can get easy EMI loan up to 11 lakhs on this car for 5 years duration, and you also get comprehensive warranty as well for 1 year on engine, gearbox and clutch too. So what are you waiting for? Just take up your phones, come down to Cars Life JP Nagar, very close to Bangalore Central Mall. Take a test drive and fall in love with this nice gorgeous beast for your long luxurious drives, for your outing, your vacation, even city drives as well for heavy traffic. This automatic is the best beast that you can have, all for a price of just 11,50,000 only. Thank you for watching Cars Life. If you like the video, please share it and tag your friends along as well. Thank you so much.